Introducing AD Surgical Post-Op Soft Stretch Facial Wraps, top surgical essentials for less. Our post-op facial wraps by CoolJaw feature an exclusive hand-free patent design. They're made with a spandex fabric that is extremely soft on the patient's skin. Each wrap features 2 rows of Velcro closure at the top to provide a universal adjustable fit. It has continuous outer sleeves that extend cheekbone to cheekbone. The sleeve opening fits up to 4 of our reusable gel packs that are sold separately. 2 versions of wraps are available. Our facial wrap with a chin cup features a built-in pouch that helps maintain proper positioning of the wrap. They are ideal for immediate use following wisdom tooth removal, reconstructive jaw surgery, and dental implants. Our facial wrap without a chin cup features a continuous outer sleeve that extends cheekbone to cheekbone to provide compression to the chin, jaw, and ears. It has no chin cup so that the gel packs can be moved in any position, including under the chin. Ideal for use after facial procedures such as jaw reconstruction, facelifts, and submental liposuction. 2 versions of the gel pack are available. Our cold gel packs freeze solid and remain cold for over an hour. Meanwhile, our hot-cold gel bead pack remain pliable when frozen and can also be heated in the microwave for up to 15 seconds at a time. All of our gel packs are reusable and our post-op facial wraps are machine washable. Thank you for watching. Visit www.ad-surgical.com or call 888-841-8481.